What's up, guys? Jake here at DmaxStore. Today we're coming at you with our monthly update of what's going on at DmaxStore. New builds, new products on the website, everything covered right here. So we're going to start off with all the new products that were added to DmaxStore.com. We've got a lengthy list here. So the first up, we've got the Edge Insight Plus. This is pretty cool. It allows Duramax Tuner to actually load custom tuning through your Edge Insight. This is available for L5P Duramaxes, and it's only going to allow certain approved tuners. And for Duramax platform, it's just Duramax tuners. So if you're looking for a good set of tunes and you want to monitor everything, look at the Edge Insight Plus. Next up, we got OptiLube XPD. We've had a massive run on the OptiLube XPD, and it has been proven to be the best additive on the market. It's the best lubricity, and it has almost the best cetane available. So if you want to really get a good fuel additive for your truck, there's been a bunch of third-party testing on this stuff showing that it's the best. Now, we also have added some Moly L5P head gasket kits. So you guys asked, we listened, we wanted to get you guys ready for your next top-end build on your L5P Duramax. Now, Westcott Designs, they do a lot of really cool stuff. They do a lot of these little trinket things. And for this one is a Switch Pros mount. So this is a really functional way to control all the accessories on your truck. Has that little Switch Pros touchpad mount, and it mounts it super clean right down in the center console to give you a good spot for all your auxiliary switches. Next up, we got DDC wheels. A bunch of new styles have been added, and we actually have a new set incoming for our 2024 3500 flatbed, so stay tuned to see more of that. We've also got the Pinnacle off-road skid plate. You guys probably already saw this earlier this month, but we got that on Luis's truck. We worked hand in hand with Pinnacle Off-Road to develop this fully TIG-welded aluminum skid plate to protect your VSC fuel system saver. Because those fuel filters, they do hang down a little bit low on that LM2 and LZ0 truck. So if you're off-roading your truck and you don't want to rip off your filters and be stranded, go ahead and check out the Pinnacle Off-Road Fuel Filter Skid Plate. And the last thing for this month, we've got the Banks Derringer High Output and iDash Pro. Now, Banks has been working on these for quite a long time. The iDash Pro is really cool. It allows you to have full functionality on your phone at the same time, so you can see a bunch more PIDs. It's really designed for the GM trucks, and it allows you to view just about any parameter you want. Gives you a lot more control, and it has really, really cool data logging capabilities. So if you really want to be in tune with what's going on with your truck, check out the iDash Pro. And the Banks Derringer High Output just gives you even more power for those L5P trucks. And of course, it's not just about the parts. We've also got a new Duramax in the family. So Josh here in our sales team, if you've talked to him, he now has a 2015 LML Duramax. I remember when we first got this truck in, from a customer asking us to lift it, and put a 6-inch RCD lift and 35-inch tires on here, and it is a really good looking Chevy LML Duramax, and he's super excited to have it and kind of make it his own over time. That's it for this month's update. If you guys have any help, want any build inspiration, or have any questions for us, feel free to reach out on DmaxStore.com. We've got our live chat. You can reach out to our phones, 877-4MY-DMAX. It's 877-469-3629. And any of us, all Duramax enthusiasts, would be happy to help you out and give you a little bit of guidance to make sure that your Duramax is built right and built to last. Now, all of these parts are available on DmaxStore.com, so make sure to get yours today. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, keep your Duramax running strong.